We'll guide you through how to make a partition in Windows. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So just to show you my current drives, as you can see, I've currently got 6 here, and what I want to do is add a partition to this drive here. So to go and do that, come to the bottom and click on search and type in disk management, and you should go and see this option here, create and format hard disk partitions. If it doesn't pop up, just go and manually type that in there, but it should go and come up pretty simply. Then it's going to go and load all your drives, and you need to go and find the drive you want to go and add the partition to. So as I showed you in my file explorer, I want to do this for new volume E. So then what I'll do is I'll scroll down this list here and go and find it. Here it is. Once you've found it, what you need to do is right click on it, and you need to go and click on shrink volume like so. It will then go and query the volume. So now what you need to do is type in the amount of space you want to go and shrink, and this is in megabytes by the way, not gigabytes, and there are 1000 megabytes to 1 gigabyte. So what you need to do is decide how big you want the partition to be. In my case, I want it to be 20 gigabytes. So therefore I want to go and shrink it currently by 20 gigabytes, which is 20,000 megabytes. So I'll type that in just like so, and then I'll go and click on shrink like so. So it's now shrunk it, and as you can see, there's now 19.5 gigabytes of unallocated space, pretty much 20 gigabytes. And then to go and create the partition, right click, just click on it and select it first, and click on use simple volume. You can then press next, make sure the space is the space you want it to be. In my case, it's 20,000 megabytes. You can choose the drive letter, I'll keep it how it is. And yeah, I'll keep that the same. I personally use NTFS, and I'll then go and press on next like so and press finish. And that is it. We've now added this new partition here. So if I go and open up my file explorer, we've got the new volume here, which I can then go and start using, and that is a separate partition. It is that simple.